How to make a wedding registry. Smart tips for a stress-free list. Planning your wedding should be joyful, not overwhelming, especially when it comes to your registry. But how do you create a list that's thoughtful, useful, and stress-free, while reflecting who you are as a couple? A wedding registry isn't just about asking for gifts. It's about starting a life together with intention. Whether you're setting up your first home or blending two households, a well-crafted registry ensures you receive items that support your shared lifestyle while helping friends and family contribute meaningfully to your next chapter. Start by selecting one or two trusted platforms that align with your needs. Leading retailers like Zola, Amazon, Target, and Crate and Barrel offer a wide variety of products and registry perks. Think completion discounts, free returns, and even bonus gifts. Some allow you to combine physical products, cash funds, travel experiences, and even charitable donations on one platform. Next, curate your list with balance and variety. Include items at multiple price points to accommodate all guests' budgets. Your list should mix essentials with personal touches, kitchenware, bath linens, or bedding alongside fun extras like camping gear, tech gadgets, or bar tools. Think beyond tradition. Today's registries are as flexible and unique as the couples themselves. Don't forget the timeline. It's best to start your registry early, ideally, right after your engagement or before sending out bridal shower invitations. This gives guests time to browse and choose with care. Keep the list updated throughout your planning process, especially if you receive gifts from early birds. Be mindful of quantity and function. Choose items you'll use daily, not just for entertaining. Walk through your home together and take inventory of what you own, what needs upgrading, and what's missing. This approach ensures you're requesting with purpose, not pressure. Clarity is essential. Include detailed descriptions and color preferences where possible to reduce guesswork. And remember to test usability. Is your registry easy to access, navigate, and purchase from? Put yourself in your guest's shoes. Simplicity goes a long way. More couples are also adding group gifting options for larger items, like furniture or a honeymoon fund. This lets multiple guests contribute without feeling strained and allows you to invest in long-term dreams. Finally, express gratitude. While thank you cards come later, acknowledge your appreciation on your registry welcome message. Make guests feel valued for being part of your journey. So, as you begin building your life together, how will your registry reflect not only what you need, but who you are as a couple?